So hi guys and welcome, this is Stuart from Zadel Property Education and we are in the bathroom. I haven't shown you the finished product yet, but the reno is done 4 weeks and about 5 days. We'll call it 5 days, we'll call it 5 weeks. We're here finishing off right now and we're doing what's called caulking. Caulking is the gaps between the tiles in the bathroom, in the laundry and also in the kitchen and the splashbacks and stuff. I've got my good friend here and expert caulker, Zadel. Zadel, how are you going?
Hi, how you going?
This guy does the best caulking I've ever seen, and I think we're going to get him in the group actually for some of you guys that are members of the Rapid Renovation Formula. So Zadel, do you want to explain just quickly what you've done for us here and what caulking is?
Okay, we put special silicone between the tiles, which is our silicone is waterproof 100%. We seal the basin.
So for example, we'll see,
yep.
So this white line here.
Silicone around the basin.
Yep.
We fill the whole corners between the tiles.
Yeah.
Around the mirror here. Around the bathtub.
Beautiful. Bathtub's looking beautiful. So the edge of the bathtub.
And we put grey silicone, which is very similar to the tiles.
Yes.
Just to look like the ground.
Okay. So we did the grey because it matches and
yes.
it will wear better if it does get dirt on it.
Yeah. Sure.
Yep. Cool. Great stuff. All right. Anything else you want to share with us about caulking? Nothing else?
Nothing else.
No? Okay. Well, it's one of those things, you know, it has to be done. And you may not want to do it. And I tell you, an expert is way quicker and way cleaner than you doing it yourself. Anyway, just a little tip. Now, you might think, why didn't the tiler do this? The tilers don't do it. Well, some of them don't. You might be thinking, why didn't the plumber do this? The plumbers don't do it. And in fact, Zadel, I think, is an expert at it because the plumber actually did a clear silicone around the bottom and it showed even the wedges that were in the silicone holding things up. Not a great look and could have been much cleaner. Anyway, Zadel fixed it all up for me. So he might be known as Zadel the Great before his lifetime's out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that update. Thanks for now, Zadel. Cheers.
Thank you.